Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be good and you are welcomed to our channel English Fun with Words. Today we will discuss what is the difference between the words epidemic, endemic and pandemic. These are the most frequently used words since 6 months. So let us look at the meaning of these words and how these words have been built and what is the difference between these two words. The first word is epidemic. Epic means upper or demic which means disease. So what is the epidemic? Epidemic means disease which is in very upper portion, which means the disease which is very frequently or very widely spread. Disease widely spread, usually in a country, usually in a country in which large number of people have died, which means usually in very large place. You can say a country. It is a countryal disease, countryal spread of disease, spread of disease. So let us look at the endemic. What does endemic means? Endemic means that the disease, this also means a disease, but or you can say also different thing, which is limited to a smaller place, limited to a smaller place. Like someone has a plague and it restricted to the only one city, then it is called the endemic, which means something which is restricted or limited to the particular place and city only, then it is called the endemic. Then what is pandemic? Pan means all over the world, all over the world. Endemic already mean disease, so disease which has spread all over the world, disease which has spread all over the world, all over the world is called the pandemic. So pandemic means disease which is spread all over the world. The coronavirus, which is the very long matter of fact these days, it is called the pandemic because corona is spread all over the world. It is intercontinental disease, intercontinental disease. So now I hope you have known the reason why corona is called pandemic, not epidemic or endemic. It is called pandemic because it is spread all over the world. It is not called endemic because endemic is limited to the smaller place. Epidemic is also limited to the smaller place, usually in a country, as compared to the pandemic. So I hope you have understood and learned the meaning of these words. Please like and share this video and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.